Hey, if you forgot your screen password on your Redmi 14C, let me show you how we can actually remove this. So first of all, you will have to be sure that you are going to switch off your device by using the power button, or for example the power button and the volume up button. In my case, I can click and hold the power button, and after a few seconds I will get the Google Assistant, but after this I will get the power off menu. So we have to slide to power off, and now we'll have to use the two buttons combination. But before you start, I can highly recommend you to remove your SIM card and memory card from the SIM slot, because you are going to delete all data from your phone. This is the only way to actually bypass this forgotten password. So now you will have to click and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And when you feel vibration and got the Redmi logo on the screen, release the power button and only keep holding this volume up button until we enter for a recovery mode. There we go. Now you have to navigate with your volume buttons, so click on the volume down button to wipe data, click on power button to confirm, scroll to wipe all data, click on the power button to confirm, scroll with the volume down button and select confirm with power button. Now as you can see, we just simply start our reset process. So we just have to wait until it will be finished. It will take probably up to 5 or 10 minutes, depends of how many data you had on your phone. And after this, you will just be welcome with the first setup screen, and you will have to perform the first configuration of your phone. And this is actually how you can unlock your phone when you forgot your screen lock. Sometimes you will have to also log into the Google account that you were previously using on this device. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.